Hi everyone, I'm Leslie from Temax Hardware, and on this afternoon we will have 2 hours for the live for the showing our one important items, a slim box. And for this item, we have sold to the market for around 6 years, and the slim box is for 2 years. So we get a very good reputation and feedback from our clients and from market. So today we want to share these products with you. Um, Maybe our level we have many friends from India. This item is very popular in India, and we have sell. We are exporting container each month to Indian market. So let's show you the item now. For the slim box, the whole series, we have different height, different for height. This four， 你看得清吗？可以看得清吗？ Okay. Yeah, for this for height. The small one, second one, third one, and the biggest one. And for this height, this one is the height is 2.5 inch. This one is 4 inch. This one is 6 inch, and this one is 8 inch. So for the Indian market, and also for the Australian market, for the Russian market, for the Europe, like Spain, like Portugal, and this kind of market, the most popular size is just these three, 4, 6, and 8. And you will find for the biggest size, you will find a difference. Actually, it is on the basis of the small size and add extra gallery. Actually, you can add one gallery and only add this one, or you can add 2 gallery to get the biggest size. Okay, and for this four item, and maybe so many people is care about the capacity because it's used for the kitchen and also the bathroom. For the cabinet, so maybe you need to put many things inside the drawer, so the capacity it must be very good. So like we can get a different capacity like 35, 40, and 60. The biggest one is the 60. This is very special because in some other factory, and the regular only have 35, but we have 60. So if you have a bigger and heavy drawer, you can choose this model. And for the before we call the slim box, that's why we call the slim box, because this panel, you'll find this panel is slim and thin, and it's like street panel. You will find this model is more beautiful than the old model, and the panel thickness is just 12.8, so it's like a 13 millimeter. If you put inside in a drawer, it looks more beautiful, and you can, because it's thin, you can have bigger space to put your things inside your drawer. Okay, and for this item, maybe you're asking, have you passed? Maybe some people care about quality, and for this item, we have passed the SGS test report like this. The cycle. The open and close cycle is 80,000 times. If you somebody need any friends or any clients need any original text report, please leave your email on our message, and we will send you the SGS test report later. Our college will contact you later. Okay. Okay. Now, let's explain how many components for this item included. Okay, and usually we have 7 components. This is the slide, panel, and what is This is plastic cover and connector. This is yeah, this is connector, front connector. Yeah. And also this part is bracket. Okay. Just one more like this. Yes, the bracket. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you need a bigger size, you will add extra gallery. So 6.